Here's my top 3 crypto coins that I think will actually 100x after the market crash. First up, we have Gala Games. Now, I am super bullish on anything blockchain gaming. Gala Games aims to be the Steam of the blockchain gaming industry, aka a platform where you can play all the different top blockchain games. The owner of Gala Games actually was the owner of Zynga, a very popular gaming platform. Gala is currently down 94% from its all-time high, making this a great opportunity for long-term investing. Next up, we have BGB, which is Bitget token. Now, I'm super bullish on crypto exchange tokens. Similar to Binance's BNB token, we have Bitget and their BGB token. Bitget is one of the biggest crypto exchanges and allows people to sign up and trade with no KYC. Next up, we have Quant, QNT. Now, this is already number 43 of all cryptos and has a very large backing and community. Quant essentially acts as the ecosystem that the future global economy will operate on and allows all of the major chains such as Avalanche, Solana, and Ethereum all to act synergistically. If you would like to find out the fourth and final coin, make sure to join my Crypto Traders Hub Discord server.